Look, here's the thing nobody tells you about saving money. There are expenses you're probably overpaying for right now. Don't worry, I've got the list of the top 7 things to cut back on. Imagine you're making $55,000 a year and trying to save up for your first home. But here's the kicker. 40% of Americans can't even cover a $400 emergency. So how do we stop overpaying and start saving? Now here's where it gets wild. Cell phone plans. You might be on a fancy $80 per month plan when you could switch to a prepaid one for just $20. Next up, streaming services. Most people have 3 to 4 subscriptions, but only use one regularly. Cancel the extras and save over $15 a month. Let's talk about gym memberships. Join a local park instead of paying $50 plus monthly for a fancy gym you barely use. Now, let's look at insurance. Bundling car and home policies can save you up to 20%. That's $347 a month just disappearing. Groceries are another biggie. Buying store brands instead of name brands can save you $50 or more a week. Don't forget about your utilities. Switching to a cheaper provider or renegotiating rates can save you $20 to $50 monthly. Student loans are a huge expense. Refinancing can lower your interest rate and reduce monthly payments. And finally, dining out. Cutting back on just one restaurant meal a week can save you $10 to $30. Now, the big takeaway here is that small changes can add up to big savings. These tweaks might seem minor, but they're crucial for building a secure financial future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.